that way. Why don't you push in the clutch and then try and go to second gear. So grab the gear shift and go down. There you go. Now let off the clutch. Turn. Yeah. Alright, so go ahead and push in the clutch and hit your brake. Okay, now put it in first gear. Good job. Now foot off the brake and slowly let up the clutch.
Hello.
You're fine. Go ahead and push in the clutch and go to second gear. Yep. Yep. Good job. Okay, let out the clutch.
Oh, hello.
That was a little fast. If you're gonna let up the clutch fast, you got to give it a little bit of gas.
Okay. This is a little bit easier because there's nothing in my way, but
That's the point.